If you're buying a generic commercial insurance policy, alarm bells should really be ringing if you're a film company. You really need to be buying a bespoke film insurance policy. Those policies can be annual, but in most cases they're production policies, so they will cover a specific production. Some of our clients often have two policies running alongside each other, so they have a policy covering their studio and their office and post-production. They then have separate policies in place for each production that they are running at each time they run that production. So firstly, we'd always highly recommend that liability is included. So that covers injury to cast, crew and third parties, and that would be covered by employer's liability and public liability insurance. You should be arranging insurance to cover your equipment, props and hired-in equipment. A lot of our clients are now hiring in lots of camera equipment for productions. We always recommend insuring those hired-in items under a production policy where it's often a lot cheaper than the charges applied by the hire companies. Also, production indemnity, that covers things outside of your control, such as additional costs or abandonment. It's quite a detailed section of insurance on its own and requires discussion in detail with your insurance broker. Finally, errors and omissions insurance. If you're distributing a film, this is often a requirement of the distribution contract. You're often required to organise a policy which is 3 years in length that covers 1 million any one claim and 3 million in the aggregate. We can advise you and help you on those errors and omissions insurances. So the premium for your kit is calculated in accordance to the value of your production equipment. In regards to the production itself, it's also calculated on the length of the production and the budget of the production, but also on the nature of the production. So if your production includes high-risk stunts, an additional premium will be charged. But that said, if you can justify to the insurers that each and every stunt is well risk assessed, that will persuade insurers that you're a better risk and they will reduce the premium accordingly. For more videos and information, please visit www.winnieinsurance.co.uk.